Hello, my name is Abigail Dalli and I am a protein researcher. The topic I will be discussing today is whether all microbes are harmful. Throughout history, people have discovered several diseases which have been linked to harmful microbes. These include bacteria, fungi, viruses, and others. Thus, a common misconception is that all microbes are harmful, whereas this is not the case. Some are in fact beneficial. We have exploited countless harmless microorganisms for our purposes. For example, we have used a bacteria called lactobacilli to make dairy products. We have used fungi called yeast for making bread and beer. And we have also made adenoviruses harmless for the purpose of vaccines, for example, the COVID-19 vaccine. What about the organisms present in our human body? Although we are not aware of it, we are never alone, as our body welcomes around 100 trillion microorganisms, making up 10,000 different species. These include bacteria, fungi, viruses, archaea, and even small microscopic animals. This is the human microbiome, a Greek word which is made up of small, micros, and life, bios, describing the microbial community living in a particular environment, in this case the human body. In 1885, Louis Pasteur, contrary to some of his colleagues, hypothesized that germ-free animals cannot survive because they have evolved to host and live with these microbes, while in fact germ-free animals can in fact survive. They lack vitamins, antibodies, and have a shorter lifespan. Like other organisms, humans need the microbiome. Microbes within our body adapt our immune system, help during digestion, ward off other harmful microbes, help to keep the right level of acidity in certain areas of our body, help to produce antioxidants such as riboflavin, vitamins B12 and K, and also produce amino acids such as arginine. Moreover, they also help in mineral absorption. So, what shapes our microbiome? Earlier on during fetal development and when we are born, our microbiome is largely influenced by our mother's microbiome. However, as we age, we are influenced by environmental factors. These include pollution, smoking, our diet, and medication such as antibiotics and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen. In fact, probiotics were found to help our microbiome by increasing the level of beneficial bacteria within our body. The microbiome is also influenced by our age, whether we are male or female, our body mass, amongst other factors. What happens when things go wrong in our microbiome? This is called dysbiosis. Dysbiosis describes the imbalance within our bodies between good and bad bacteria. Several diseases have been recently linked with dysbiosis. For instance, inflammatory bowel diseases, or in short IBDs, have significant dysbiosis. Patients with IBDs have been found to have decreased gut species diversity, decreased beneficial microbes, and increased harmful microbes. For example, the beneficial bacterium Faecalibacterium prausnitzii has been found to be severely decreased in patients with IBD. F. prausnitzii produces molecules from our dietary fiber, which are an energy source for colon cells and also maintain intestinal integrity. Harmful enterobacteria such as Shigella have been found to be increased in IBDs, and these are thought to cause ulcerations. On our bodies, especially on our face, we have face mites or demotics, which live within our hair follicles and feast on our facial oils, sebum. While these species have been found to be neutral and to not cause any harm. In people who have rosacea, these species were found to be abundant and for unknown reasons significantly affect the skin. Infectious bacteria such as Helicobacter pylori, which invades the stomach and may cause stomach cancer, were also found to cause dysbiosis and affect our microbiome. Also, Candida albicans, a fungus, significantly affects the microbiome of mucosal places in our bodies, such as our mouth. The human microbiome has become a very important research topic in the last 2 decades, as researchers are studying how we can maintain a healthy microbiome or re-establish it when we have a disease. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed my video.